Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Eren Fitria Permata Dewi from English Education first semester Pancasakti University. So today I would like to discuss about the main point of character building in language teaching. Character building is the essence of education. It involves a comprehensive approach that includes a robust curriculum, dedicated staff, and partnership with parents. It's an approach to education with potential to yield outstanding results, develop students into ethical, responsible citizens. Teachers as character educators not merely teach about good character, but also need to show their students what good character is. They are role models of good character for their students. Therefore, they must show good examples by developing their own character. The key factor for the success of character education in schools or in other educational institutes is the character of its educators. Understanding good character is the central concern of virtue ethics. The character education movement is directed at developing a set of civic virtues deemed necessary for civic life. It affirms that belief that ethical, social, and emotional development of the young is as important as their academic achievement. What is a character education? Character education is the teaching of core values. For example, the Character Counts program defines 6 teachable pillars of character: trustworthiness, respect, responsibility, fairness, caring, and citizenship. Character education is most effective when it's spread throughout regular school courses. In science, teachers can discuss the value of honesty in data, and in math, students can learn persistence by sticking with a problem until they get the right answer. History holds valuable lessons and heroes of characters such as the honesty of Abraham Lincoln, who walked 3 miles to return 6 cents. In an already busy school day, finding time for building character in schools and students can be a challenge. However, school is the first social structure the child encounters, and it provides an excellent opportunity for character building. School is not just about learning concepts, it is also a place where a foundation capable of becoming upstanding adults. Character every day in the classroom. Students notice what teachers do, say, tolerate, and how they handle challenges. Every school should set a tone of respect, honesty, and genuine kindness for all students. Whether they like it or not, teachers are role models for students and can provide examples of good. However, character building can also be done productively through planned action and activity within the classroom. These classroom activities will encourage students to develop and adopt quality, ethical principles and behaviors that can last far beyond the classroom. Here are 7 ways to help build characters within the classroom. The first one is pillars of character. It has been said that character can be measured by what one will do if no one were looking. True character is instilled at a deep level so that positive behavior is automatic. The second is your rules set the tone. It is your responsibility as the teacher to set appropriate rules for classroom behavior. Be clear about the ground rules. Specify what you expect to see from your students and what is unacceptable. The third is encourage good role models. Students choose role models whether teachers or adults help or not. Make an effort to point out positive characters role models in history, literature, science, and the arts. 4 is insights on respect. Your classroom should be firmly established on a foundation of respect. Self-respect and respect for others are the basis of all other positive character traits. 5 is build a caring community. A caring attitude can be encouraged by having a zero tolerance placed on name-calling and character assault or bullying. Make sure that all students are included in activities. Describe the random acts of kindness, concept, and reward students when they demonstrate it. 6 is volunteerism. Take some time in your classroom to highlight the virtues and importance of volunteerism. Start volunteer programs in your classroom and school. Allow students to read or tutor young children, assist in the computer lab, help at local food bank, assist with reading comprehension, or provide support for students recovering from an illness or injury. And the last one is character in action. Throughout the school year, challenge students to create class projects that can benefit the school or community. Brainstorm ideas that cultivate the pillars of characters discussed in tip number 1 and strive for a strong community spirit. I hope this is enough from this material today. I'm sorry if there are misunderstandings from these materials. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.